Hi all, this is Mew again, and we are going to take this picture that I took earlier this morning and we're going to put it on IG story. So we're just going to go through the steps to maximize your reach. So here on the bottom right is a share icon, and it's got 3 circles and 2 lines. I'll press that. And I'm going to press IG stories, and it looks like this. And I'm going to subtitle this, and I will say, oh, it looks like I had subtitled this. I'm going to delete this and start this from scratch. So this is what it should look like. I'll press the big A, little a on the top right, and I'm going to start commenting. So I'm going to say, great breakfast, or something like that. And I like to bubble this, and it's also good to bubble it because then we can hide other things underneath it. So we'll do that. Size it, move to where I want, and I'll press a little a anymore. And so in the comments, you're actually allowed to have 3 hashtags. So I'm going to put hashtags avocado, if I can spell better, toast. I'm going to say brain breakfast ideas, and maybe brain health. Brain health. And then I'll press done. I'll minimize it and put it where the great breakfast is. And it looks funny right now, but we'll change that later. And another place where you can put in a hashtag is the happy face and the square. I'll press that. And I can put hashtag, click on hashtag, and I can say, what other hashtag would I put in? Avocado toast, avocado lover, avocado. I'll do that. And I'll press done. I'll minimize it and hide it. I'll put it where the words are. And then I also can put in a location. So I'm going to do San Diego. Press San Diego. That's where I live. And I'll minimize it, put it here. And I mean, you can do more. There's also like some gifts you can have music. There's a poll you can do. You can have questions, countdown. There's a lot of other options, but we are just going to do this for now. Oops, I didn't mean to cancel. And so I'm trying to make my post not look spammy. So that's why I staggered my elements. And I'm going to hide it under the word get breakfast, and I'll share, send to, and I'll press share, and that's it. All right, great. Thank you.